People are paying hundreds for AI-generated art. But today, I'll show you a free tool that turns your words into stunning images in seconds. Yes, you heard that right. All you need is a few typed words and you'll have jaw-dropping AI art ready to download and share. Stick around. I'll show you step-by-step how to make your own AI images without any technical skills. Open the AImageGen website. Visit https://aimagegen.com/ in your browser. You'll see a simple page with a box labeled Prompt and buttons for size/aspect ratio. 2. Write your prompt. In the text box, type what you want the AI to draw. Be as detailed as possible. The more specific your prompt, the better the results. Example prompts. A small dragon curled around a glowing crystal. Photorealistic, dramatic lighting. Cyberpunk city at night. Neon lights, rain, cinematic style. Tip. Include mood, lighting, style, for example, watercolor, oil painting, and details like color and composition. Choose your image size. Right below the prompt, you can choose aspect ratio like 1:1, square, 16:9, wide, 9:16, portrait, 4:3, 3:4, 21:9. Picking the right ratio helps match where you plan to use the image. For example, Instagram post, wallpaper. Click Generate Image. Once your prompt and size are ready, press the Generate Image button. Wait about a minute. The AI will create your image right there on the page. Download your image. After generation, scroll to your new image and click Download to save it to your device. Save it in JPG or PNG format and use it wherever you like, social media, blogs, wallpapers, etc. And that's it. You've just learned how to create amazing AI art for free using AImageGen. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. Also, try out your own prompts and share your creations. You'll be amazed at what you can make.